What day are we? 5.
It's 20 days to go.
20, so Wandas weirdly
I'm going
numbered.
backwards.
Yeah.
I'm doing days to go.
Wandas weirdly numbered box.
In my weird
joy.
world.
So Wandas Weird World, day 5.
20 days to go.
20 days to
Is
go.
everyone getting excited for Christmas?
Very confused by this. So door number 20 is around here.
Uh-oh, is it a bottom one?
It's a bottom
Oh,
one.
God. I should have done it, like, so that you worked your way down, really.
I'm assuming it's this one. I don't know.
It should have on it on the
Oh,
tag.
yeah. No, it doesn't.
Oh, is it confused?
Hang on, what's that? Oh, no, it fell off.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm assuming it's that.
what does it
It
say?
says, and this one's quite easy to put up there because it's not actually, it hasn't actually been attached
No.
to the can at
It
all.
probably has.
Well,
It's
it
just
hasn't,
fallen
'cause-
off.
It hasn't.
It's probably this. It was at the top.
Oh, okay.
I
And
do
it's-
need to sneeze.
And that's free.
Oh dear.
That sneeze comes for free.
A free sneeze.
sneeze. We all alright?
Anyway, sneezing's not one of the symptoms. Is it?
Thank you for being there for me when times have got tough. And they've certainly been tough.
I certainly have.
So, number 20, number 5, whichever it is, no one knows.
No one knows anymore.
Wanda's Weird World of Counting.
It went all wrong. Okay.
And we have, and you can't beat again from Vocation, a can of Pride and Joy.
Oh, have you had that one?
Yeah, all of the supermarket stuff I've had.
Right.
Excuse my fingers, I bite my fingers. But yeah.
Yeah.
Pride and
You
Joy
like that
Pale
one?
Ale coming in at 5.3%. From their fridge, to your fridge, from Hebden Bridge,
Oh.
which is what
Pride
they put on
and
their
Joy.
box.
But Pride and Joy.
Yeah, Pride and
At
Joy.
Christmas time.
At Christmas time.
Joy.
And their cans look quite seasonal as well.
It looks like a snowy picture.
Yeah. So yeah.
Like
I'll
this one.
polish that off later.
You can put the can near the tree. See what it looks like. Oh, hang on. Let me zoom in.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, pretty. Lost can in the snow.
So yeah, I'll hoppy and crisp. So
Nice.
I'll have that later. Back tomorrow.
Back
Have a good
tomorrow.
day.
Bye.